All right, let's just go ahead and open it up. And when you open it up, it's going to be clearly different than what you're used to. You follow me? So all of your videos, your photos show up right here, okay? And if you want to look at them, you can just kind of slide, this way. You follow me? I'm pulling my finger down to look at them all, and then to go back, I go this way. And then once you do that, you're like, what the heck? How do I get back to the original thing that I was at? Well, you got to come down here. You got to click this little X. And then it brings you to the whole photo app. You follow me? Now, if you want to look at these, you just kind of go down like that. And you're going to notice the first thing you're going to see is recent days. Now, if I want to, I could just go like this and just look at this stuff, right? But it doesn't let me go, too far back. I got to October 22nd. But if I want to look at all recent days, I go like that. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Now I can scroll to all the different days. Let's take a look at this one. And this shows me everything that happened on that day, okay? If I want to get rid of that, I just click right here. Bam, done. And then if I want to get out of this recent days completely, I'll click here. And then bam, bam, I'm right back. And then here you got people, okay? So now you can go through here and you can look at, try to find somebody that you want to see all the photos that you did of them. Let's go ahead and look at my niece, Ava. So now I've got here's a picture of Ava and the Mona Lisa. There's Ava and her friend. And it kind of like pops through them, and you can see all the different photos. You come back, you want to get out of that, you just click there, bam, done. And we're back here. If you want to see all the people, you click that, and bam, here's all your people. Check them out. All of them, apparently. I think that's all of them. And then to get out of here, I would just come here. Well, let's say you want to look at somebody. Let's look at Ava again. So it brings me back to Ava again. Same thing. All right, so there we are. Oh, look, here's groups. There's groups of people. Tom and Lynette. Look at that. All the pictures of me and her together. Isn't that cool? And you can scroll through the groups. Here's me and Jan. Bam. Look at that. Go back. And then if we want to get out of there, out of the people in the groups, we go like that. And then we're right back to here. So notice that when you go into people, you get people and you get groups. However, like if you're hooked together. And then if you come down, here's your pin collections. And it's got your favorites, which are all the videos that you hearted. And then it's got your recently saved, that's all the ones that's everything, really. Then this one's a map. Let's see what that is. And that, it kind of shows you where the photos were taken. Like that's Montana, that's Padre Island, there's Florida, New York. Let's close that out. And then we got videos and we got screenshots. Now, if you want to look at all of your pin collections, you can go like that. Now, if you want to modify your pin collection, you could click here and you could add something like trips. Now trips is up there. If I close it out, you'll see trips is there. You see what I mean? If I wanted to subtract something, get something out of there, I could hit that and delete it. And then it would come over here, screenshots. You see that? So that's how you do the pin collections. Let's go ahead and get out of that. And then we go out of here. And then there's memories. And what this does is it actually makes like a video for you. Let me just go ahead and click this here. Let me turn it up. I don't know if you can hear it or not. Because I'm doing a screen recording, it's not allowing it to do what I want it to. But then you just click on it like that if you want to get out of it. And I just hit there. So basically it makes a little movie for you. You follow me? And there's a whole bunch of them here. If you want to see all of them, you can look at all of them here. Now you can favorite these too if you want. You could come up here and you could hit favorites. Like watch, there's the favorites. Like here, this one's got a heart on it, right? So I favorited it. Let's go back to all. So if I wanted to favor Yellowstone, I would go like that, right? And now if I come in here, Yellowstone should be in there. There it is. Bam, done. All right, now let's get out of there. Let's go to all again. Let's go to get out. All right, so now it's got my trips. So every place that you go, it automatically knows where you went, and you can look at it. Like if I want to look at my world trip, here's all the videos from our world trip where we went all through Europe. All right, let's get out of there, all right? And then here's one from Padre Island. Here's one from Montana. Check it out. That was the dinosaur, the Museum of the Rockies. Pretty cool place. And I click that. So that's pretty cool. And then if you want to see all your trips, you can go here's 2024's trips. I went to World Trip and I went to Padre Island. That was it. Let's see where I went 23. I went to Montana and I went to Barcelona. Let's see 22. Didn't really go. I went to Cotswold in London. Let's see 2018. I went to the Vatican City in Italy. And we went to Paris. And there's all. Bam. Let's go back to all. And that's how they do the trips. Let's go ahead and get out of trips. And then here's featured photos. And I'm not sure how they just pick these, but they do. They just kind of pick these photos. So, who knows how they do it. So let's click on this one. And then these are, photos that apparently are featured. If you want to click this, it'll give you, more featured photos. I'm not sure how they pick these, but they do. Maybe they've got some kind of system that they do. But if you want to just get to your stuff, I recommend just coming down here. And this is kind of cool. Here's your videos. You click that, and then your videos will come up. You got one up here, and then if you want to scroll, you've got to push up. Okay, you got to push up, and then you come back down, and then it just kind of picks a video. I don't know why. But anyway, to get out of there, you just click that. All right. Now, selfies, it's the same thing. You got to scroll this way, scroll back this way, whatever. Let's get out of there. Now, you got live photos. That's, I always shoot live. So all these are live. If I wanted to get rid of a photo, let's say I want to get rid of these two, I could go select, click, hit delete, and now those photos are out of there, right? Pull back, but they're not completely gone. I'm going to show you how to get rid of them in a minute. Let's close that up. All right, so then you've got hidden photos. And I don't think I've got any hidden photos. Let's take a look and see. I got to do face, right? And as you can see, I'm not hiding anything from anybody, right? But here, recently deleted. Anyway. All right, duplicates. All right, this is kind of interesting. So if I click on this, what it's going to do is it's going to show me the duplicates. So let me go ahead and do that. And then I've got a bunch of duplicates, right? And I can merge them. All I got to do is go merge two copies, merge two copies, right? Merge two copies. They're the exact copy. So merge two copies. Yeah, I just merged them all. Oh, look at it. It took me to receipts automatically. All right, so this, and then check this out. Receipts. This is kind of cool because you'll notice, look at duplicates disappeared, right? It's gone. Here we've got receipts. Now, if I click on this, it's going to show me any photos that I took of receipts, which is awesome. Watch. So there they are. Look, I got 2 receipts right there. And so you can save all your receipts in here. Isn't that cool? And then you got albums, which I kind of haven't been really doing. But anyway, yeah, whatever. Now we got shared albums down here. And then down here is your wallpaper suggestions. So these you could use as wallpaper if you wanted to. This was in Italy there. That's in France. That's Italy. Look at it, just changed it to that. So if I want to add it, I could click here. If I want to cancel it, I would click there. And so, yeah, that's how that works. And then you can customize this. Let's go ahead and open it up. So this right here gives you can change like your landing page. You know what I mean? So if you want to get rid of any of these things, or if you want to add some things, you can do it. And then if you don't like the way you did it, you could always reset it. So yeah, I haven't used this yet, but we'll get to it. And yeah, basically that is how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff like this. Peace out.